This is a very comfortable sitting area in the hotel we stayed at last night. We're going to stay here tonight also. Take a ride up a mountain, come back down here. And this is just a nice, comfortable sitting area. And that's where we had breakfast, right out there, served in that little alcove. And the rooms are through that archway down the way. Those are the rooms. This is just sweet. This building was built, the young lady said, in the 18th century, which would be the 1700s. Wow. Did a beautiful job of refurbishing it. We believe that the wooden horizontal line was the original roof line. And they raised the roof, put in this structural support here. It holds the walls together, per se, and the arched roof. And it's lovely. This is exactly what we had in mind when we signed up for this trip. Cuba is a neat country with very, very, very friendly people. We understand we're tourists and they're nice to us because we're tourists, but still, we've interacted with several people who are outside the tourism industry and they were just as nice as could be. It's really nice. There's no animosity for, shall we say, Bay of Pigs. They know who did it, but they let it go. Now, if we could just get our governments to do the same thing, this country could be so much to America if we could just get back on a friendly term. This is a rest stop on a mountain road that I should not be on. I do not have the confidence for this road anymore. I've made an agreement with the trail rider that he and I would hang back, and I'm riding these curves in first gear, you know, at 1 mile an hour. I have lost I'm 80 freaking years old, and I gave up on being bold about 50 years ago. In my 30s, I'd race this road and scrape my pigs. I can't do that anymore. I no longer have the confidence, and that's just what it is. So I'm going to meander up this road in first gear, and the tail rider is going to stay with me. He has a telephone communication with the lead rider, so we're going to see how it goes. He said this first half that we just completed is the hardest part, and it gets easier from here. Of course, yesterday he said it wasn't going to rain. So anyway, here we are at the rest area halfway up this mountain, whose name is Frank, You Shouldn't Be Here. Well, when you run across a bunch of kids on the side of the road with motorcycles, this is what happens. Crazy Americans. It's a Photoshop time, photo opportunity.
They look like daisies. You know, they had daisy. And then the red one.
Hi, hey! Viva Cuba! All right. Look at that. He found the horn. He gets on and off like I do.
Oh, there's a truck coming.
Here comes the truck. No pressure, no pressure.
Slowly.
Everybody get their video cameras out.
Ooh.
A little faster, yeah, that good.
He's got the Harley shake already.
Keep it going.
It's
Keep it
stuck
going.
with me.
Keep it going. There you go.
Oh, she already has the thing.
Making a mess.
Guessing this dude had too much coffee.
I know. There's another one over there that's good.
That's stone.
There's another ashtray over there that looks pretty cool. It's a hand.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
That's an ashtray.
Already they carved out.
And now you can enjoy the coffee. It's made by Quinn. He make good coffee for you.
Probably wants us to pay him now.
See?
Catching on, local.
That's right, yeah.
Taxi?
That's right.
Coffee plantation. Little shed where we make the coffee the old way and we drink it the new way.
Macho banana, big like this. And this is donkey. We have apple banana. We have a Johnson. Johnson is American scientifical. He crafting, nature craft variety to make stronger and more sweet. Craft is okay. Genetic transformation, you never know what happened in 10 years or 20 years.
Is that not a papaya tree?
Yeah,
That's papaya, no?
yeah. La
Oh, look, there's
papayuda.
more
¿Viste cómo sabe este de papaya? Yo sé de teta y es de
bananas up
papaya.
there too.
Yeah, yeah.
It's tough finding them in the viewfinder.
Papaya plant or tree. The big one,
Which one is papaya? Oh, that's papaya.
It's a little still, but
You
they'll
could drive
become
the
like
bananas.
this size.
I can. Yeah, I've got it. There it is.
the big tree on the back is called mamey. Mamey is a fruit.
They have enzymes, so what do they do?
And the fruit is ready. The fruit is ready when the tree loses all the leaves completely. Have only fruit. This is the moment to collect it.
Which tree are we talking about? The tall tree?
Yeah, that one with the balls.
Really?
Like
Oh my gosh! Look at them up there. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now I understand. That is something else.
Look the cafe. This is only the red one. This is a many green. This one red. You collecting one by one. Only the red. 7 days later, you come back to the same plantation. Like this, you harvest for 3-4 months. The red one,
Mano, just by hand? No, no máquina.
No, I guess I can't see the red yet.
in this mountain, you cannot put any machine. You have flat land, and you see the machine make like this on the plant, and all the coffee bean go down.
Red and
Never buy this coffee.
Yeah.
This is not quality.
Maxwell House.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's coffee on the empty land, on the sun. And look at the coffee is big cotyledon. It's 2 cotyledons inside.
Uh-huh.
In one bean is 2 cotyledons.
And that's where the caffeine is.
Yeah.
I'll be darned.
The skin and something very special for good milk coffee. When you squeeze the beans like this, you see this liquid. Yeah. Long time ago, somebody make a machines make like this, cleaning the skin and this. But you lose this liquid. You lose myelin. When the coffee is dry with the skin, the myelin go in the beans,
Here comes a horse.
and the coffee
Gotta
tastes
watch.
better.
Por acá, pase, pase.
It's okay.
See,
And the coffee tastes better.
I'll tell you what. There's a lot to it. I always thought coffee beans were short.
tastes like if you chewed it.
Oh, hold on. All right.
Okay, you can see here star fruit.
Oh, star fruit.
This is star fruit.
Yeah, yeah.
Amargo.
Amargo bitter.
Bitter? Okay. Somebody want to taste? ¿Quieres probarlo?
Hey, look at this.
Después del cafecito.
How pretty it is.
Después del cafecito es como
Where
echarle
are you
filet
going?
mignon
Jeremy. You want
es
one?
como echarle. Huh? You want to taste?
Thank you.
That's sort of like an apple.
Thank you.
Very much like an apple. Very tart. Tart. Very tart apple.
Probably he hung. Very good for the vitamin C.
Oh, what a cutie.
Right?
Yeah.
This one's not quite as ripe.
Please come.
It's pretty sour.
Pretty sour. It's like a tart apple.
Hey Shane, will you take a picture of me with the
Oh, yeah.
cat?